I advise you pack your things and go back to your village. No, you don't shift that side now.
Can you shift that
You
side?
shift.
Babies. She is taking it easy. Eh? She is fine now. All of us wish she is here. Huh?
Auntie Halima, do you know that Okushima is not our father's son?
Gaskiya?
Yes, so it's true. Our father said he's going to leave very, very soon.
So, Yushi is telling me that Benchibishi is not your daddy's son.
Yes.
Yes. I advise you pack your things and go back to your village.
Yes, so, but Auntie Halima, we are going to miss you, but Uncle Shima is not a good person.
Yes.
Stop saying that, go. Benchibishi is a very, very good person. She is very, very fine person. Telling me she is offending you?
Yes.
Hey, she is knowing that something she is not good.
When he came back from the UK, he didn't even brought us anything, even candy.
Iko Allah da yara, children, she is funny. So because of Candice, she is angry with Shima.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
She is not loving she again.
Yes.
Okay. We're going out to buying candy. Go. Where we buying candy now?
What did you say?
Like, where we buying candy? Me giving you money to go buy candy, or me taking you buying candy?
In the supermarket.
Okay. So we going supermarket, we buying candy, and Magana she is finishing. Ko.
Yes.
Magana she is finishing. You loving Uncle Shima again.
Yes.
Ko? Hey. Oh yeah. Come. No? Forgiving him.
Yes.
Forgiving him. Ko?